Princessa Catalina of the Middle Kingdom. Their Majesties invite into their court Baron and Baroness of Flaming Griffin, Timothy and Elizabetta, and the assembled baronages of the Midrealm.
Barony of Northwoods, Quinlan. Barony of Middle Marches, Uling and Slaney. Barony of Slade, Cashmere and Ashray. And cutest of things. Barony of Red Spears, Leopric and Aislinn. Barony of Phoenix, Reinhold and Lynn. Barony of Brendoken, Katrina.
Oh no.